This is Underscore Academy. We have a question on the board. The question says if x equals to -3 and x equals to 1 are zeros of the polynomial ax raised to the power 3 plus x squared plus bx plus 15, where a and b are constants, find the value of a minus b. And I've told you that in questions like this, the zeros of this polynomial are the roots of this polynomial if this is equated to 0. Okay, what it means is that ax raised to the power 3 plus x if ax raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 plus bx plus 15 is equal to 0, then x is equal to -3 or 1. That's it. That is exactly what it means. Zeros of this, that is the root of this polynomial when it is equated to 0, is either this or that. Now we're going to substitute this here, and then in the other instance we'll substitute our x as what? 1, because x has 2 values, and that will lead to equation 1, equation 2, that simultaneous equation. Here will be a in brackets. Instead of writing x, it will now be -3 raised to the power 3 plus -3 raised to the power 2 plus b times -3 plus 15 is equal to 0. -3 raised to the power 3 is -27. Okay. When a negative is raised to power, if the power is odd, the negative sign will be retained. But if the power is, the index is even, the negative sign is cancelled. Okay, now -3 squared is going to be 9, because this is an even number. The power, the index is even, so this will be +9. Then -3 times b is what? -3b plus what? 15 equals to 0. Okay, so -27a plus 9 plus 15 is 24. Okay, let's say -3b plus 24 is equal to 0. We can factor out 3 here. 3 can go. 3 in brackets 9 minus 9a minus b plus 8. How are we getting this number? -27a divided by 3 will give us -9a. Minus 3b divided by 3 will give us -b. 24 divided by 3 will give us 8 is equals to 0. When you have two numbers multiplying themselves and the value is 0, the product is 0, it means that one of them is 0. And of course, definitely not 3. So it means that -9a minus b plus 8 is equals to what? 0. That becomes our equation 1. Okay, now in equation 2, we take the value of x to be 1, because x has 2 values. The first one has resulted in equation 1. Now, when x equals to 1, we said, okay, this will be when x equals to 1. This equation will now be, 1 raised to the power of anything is still 1. X raised to the power 3, that is 1 raised to the power 3, is 1. 1 times a is what? A. Plus 1 raised to the power 2 is still 1, plus 1. 1 times b is what? Plus b, plus 15 is equals to 0. Now this is a plus b plus 16 is equals to 0. That becomes our equation 2. Okay, now we Then we are going to use elimination method to remove one unknown because we have two unknowns and it will be difficult to solve that way. We can add equation 1 and 2 together. We can add equation 1 and 2 together because this is minus b. This place is what? B. If you add minus b and b, it will cancel out. So we add them together. So we have minus 9a minus b plus 8 equals to 0. If you add, what do you have? A minus 9a will give us what? Minus 8a. B minus b is gone. 16 plus 8 is what? 24 is equals to what? 0. Now, minus 8a will be equals to this 24 will come to the other side, become what? Minus 24. So since we are looking for a, we divide both sides by minus 8. Minus 24 divided by minus 8. Minus will cancel minus. That will give us what? 3. Okay. Now we substitute a equals to 3 into either equation 1 or equation 2. Now say substitute a equals to 3 into equation 2. This is our equation 2. So our a is 3. This place will be 3 plus b plus 16 equals to 0. 3 plus 16 is 19. B plus 19 is equals to 0. B equals to 19 will come to this side, become minus what? 19. Now the final question now says find a minus b. Our a is 3. It will be 3 minus b minus 19. Minus times minus is plus. 3 plus 19. That will give us what? 22. And that's the answer.